In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable email confirmation in Supabase. First, head to your Supabase dashboard in your browser. Once you're in, look to the sidebar and open the projects area. If you manage a lot of workspaces, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the project you want to configure. If you're starting fresh and need a new environment for testing, you can create one by selecting New Project and following the prompts. Otherwise, open the project you'd like to update by clicking its card. Inside the project, open Project Settings from the left-hand menu. In the settings, navigate to Authentication. This is where Supabase manages sign-in, sign-up, and provider options for your application. Locate the Confirm Email option and switch it off. Disabling Confirm Email means new users can sign up and sign in immediately without having to click a verification link sent to their inbox. This is often useful for local development, demos, or closed internal tools where you control who can access the app. Keep in mind that skipping confirmation reduces friction, but it also removes a layer of verification, so use it thoughtfully. Next, go to Auth Providers. Open the email provider panel. Make sure the email provider is enabled. This ensures users can actually sign up and log in with email and password after you've disabled confirmation. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. If not, toggle it on. When you're done, scroll down and click Save. Saving applies the changes to your project immediately. At this point, your project is configured so that email confirmation is no longer required, and the email provider is active. New users will be able to create accounts and access your app without having to check their email first. If you ever need to revert this for production or security reasons, simply return to Authentication, re-enable Confirm Email, and save again. Also, consider pairing this setup with strong password policies or rate limiting to help protect your application while keeping sign-up smooth. That's it. You've navigated to your project, opened settings, turned off email confirmation, ensured the email provider is enabled, and saved your changes. Run a quick test in your app to confirm the behavior matches your expectations, and you're all set.